Now I'm going to take you to the third aspect, which is thinking through the number line. And this is really, really important. How do we think through the number line? Okay. So once again, I am going to move this down. I'm going to get my number line and I'm going to bring my number line down. And let's see if we can think. Now, as far as the number line goes, since we're using our brains and thinking, I'm just going to reduce the size of the number line. So when we need it, we can make it bigger just to check. Because right now we're using our brains, right? Just to think. So if I have a number that is 325, well, actually, hold on a second. Let's do a 4. I like my even numbers, right? 324 minus 562. Okay? Easy peasy. Now let's see what we know about the number line. We know that 0 is the origin. We also know anything on this side of the 0 keeps on going smaller. Anything on this side of the 0 keeps on going larger, right? And we also know this is the positive and this is the negative. Okay? Now let's use that information. We are at 324, right? And now we're taking away 562. Therefore, we're probably passing the 0. We're going beyond the 0. We're passing the 0. If you are passing the 0, you're getting into the negative aspect, the negative section of the number line. Therefore, our answer will definitely be a negative, right? There you go. We're thinking using the number line. Our answer will definitely be a negative. Since we know it's going to be a negative, now we just find the difference. And when you find the difference, you put the bigger number at the top, right? So 562, subtract 324. What do we get? 12. It's because of 5. The answer would be 8. Again, 3. And then we have a 2. So the answer is 238. And since we know it's a negative, so it's negative 238. Did you see how we use the number line to think things through? Right? So we don't need a calculator anymore. Anytime we ask for a calculator, you just tell them no calculator. I'm thinking through the number line. Let's try another question, okay? If I were to ask you, negative 24 plus 52 gives me what? Let's think through the number line. We know that we're starting at negative 24. It's probably somewhere on the negative bar. And since it's now positive, so we're going to the right, and the positive is bigger than the negative number, so it's probably going to cross the 0. So if it's going to cross the 0 and it's going on to the right, the answer will probably be a positive. We know that. We're thinking it through. This is awesome. Now that we know the answer is going to be positive, we go 52 minus 24. What do we get? Easy peasy. We give it a 4. 12 minus 4 gives us our little 8. And then 4 minus 2 gives us a 2. So it's a 28. Therefore, the answer is positive 28. Did you see that? It's using the number line to think through. You don't need the number line. You just need it as a reference point. So I hope that helped out. We went through 3 aspects and keep all the information in mind. And once again, make sure you do the mixed practice and the lesson practice. I'll see you guys later. Bye.